We provide Pearson and SAM modules, SIMNet projects, including capstone projects, Shelley Cashman series, and McGraw-Hill projects. We also help with MAThlab courses, covering mathematics, statistics, accounting, and finance, along with other academic subjects. Make a deal for complete course in very reasonable price, and also
In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. Hello everybody, I'm Mr. Malik and you're watching me on my YouTube channel. In today's video, we will discuss a next assignment that is related to chapter 12. So first of all, we will open our instruction file. Then we have to click on enable editing. Then make that zoom so it must be visible to everyone. So in today's video we'll discuss XP22 Excel chapter 12 cumulative assessment business travel budget. We just increase its size, no, same, then change its color so it must be visible. Here is project description, we just increase the size and change its color. Okay, so in today's video we will discuss Excel chapter 12 cumulative assessment business travel budget assignment step by step. You may follow me and you will get A grade 100% marks. Let me start this assignment, but before going to solve this assignment, let me move toward whole assignment, how many points we have in today's assignment. So in today's assignment we have 24 questions. Okay, it's quite big one. We have 24 questions in today's assignment. So let me start today's assignment step by step. You may follow me and you will get E grade 100% marks. Or remember that we are solving cumulative assessment business travel budget that is related to chapter 12. So in start we will discuss project description. So you are the operation manager for MLD medical sales. As a part of your task, you prepare travel reports for companies, executives. To save time, you have decided to create a template that can be used by employees that travel. To complete this task, you will create a worksheet based on a office.com template. You will also use a micro recorder and Visual Basic for application to automate sorting and calculation within the workbook. Your last steps will be initiate the template to provide a user direction and check the document accessibility and capability. So that was just simply project description. We have to read the project description carefully so we can get idea that what we have in today's project, how we have to solve that one. Okay, so let me move toward graded report. Steps to perform, instructions, start Excel, then download and open the file name, this one that we have already downloaded from Pearson. So we have to open that file. It is just getting opening. Once it open, then we will start working. Okay, enable editing. Okay, then first part is done. Now moving toward next part. Delete the sample values in B6, E15, B6 to E15 and D2. So first we have to select B6 to E16. B6 to E15, sorry. Okay. Simply delete the values, then delete cell D2 value. Here is D2, here is D2, delete that value also. So So question number 2 is done. It's not graded one, but we have to do that question. So in question number 2, we have to delete all the sample values in the range B6 to E15 and cell D2. Now moving toward question number 3, clear all existing data validation in the range E1 to K15. Okay. So first we have to select E1 to K15, press enter. Okay, A1 to K15 we have select. Now we have to clear all existing data validation. So click data validation. Here is in data tool. Here we have to clear all validation circle. Then also this one we can verify yes. Then clear all. Okay, so done. So question number 3 is done and we have earned 0 marks, but we have to solve that question. Okay, so in question number 3 we have to clear all existing data validation in the range E1 to K15 we have done. Now moving toward question number 4, or record a micro name. Okay, now we have to first there, or record a micro named sort. Be sure use a relative reference. Ensure micro sort data in descending order based on amount column F. Okay, so first we have to record micro. So click on developer. There is a record micro option. Now we have to use a sort. Then simply press OK. So our data, just like recording is stored. Now what we have to do, we have to ensure microsort data is in descending order based on column F. Where is column F? There is column F. Right click. First we have to select this one. Then in home, in editing group. Okay, there. Select this one, editing group from Z to E. Okay, now that is in descending order. Then stop micro recorder and save workbook as micro enable template. Now we have to stop recording. Click on developer. Here is stop recording. Then now we have to save this file as micro enable. So for that we have to click on file, save as. Then here we have to select micro enable template. Okay. We have to save that on the same place. Okay, we have to choose this one. Then here we have to choose chapter 12. And this one micro enable, then simply save. Yes. So question number 4 is done. It's not graded one, but we have to do that one, okay, because we all these will be used in other parts. So in question number 4 we have to record a micro name sort. Be sure to use a relative reference. Ensure micro sort the data in descending order based on column amount column F. Then stop recording. Then save the workbook as a micro enable template. Now moving toward question number 5, create a form control button that spins the range J4 to L5. Where is J4? We write there J4. Here we have to insert a button J4 to, and that button is in J4 to L5. Okay. L5. Yes. Then assign sort micro and added the button text sort. Okay, now we have to assign that sort micro, this one. press OK. So that will done. Then we have to edit the name of this button to sort. Okay, right click, edit the text. Then here we have to write sort, press enter. Okay, so question number 5 is done and we have earned 7 marks from there. So in question number 5 we have to create a form control button that spins the cell J4 to L5, then assign the sort micro and edit the button text to sort. So question number 5 is done. Now moving toward question number 6. Use a VB editor to create a new module. So type following VB code to the create a custom mileage function, then save and exit VBA. Okay, so now we have to create a VB. We have to simply click on Visual Basic Editor. Then we have to okay here. So now we have to copy this code from there. Then save. Then what we have to do, we just simply save. Okay, now close this one. Okay, so question number 6 is done. In question number 6 we have to use a VB editor to create a new module. Then type the following VBA module to create a custom mileage function, then save and exit the VBA editor. Okay, we have done question number 6 and we get 0 marks, but it's a 0 marks, but it's really important that we have to solve that one because each and every question is connected with each and other one. Okay, now you may see in question number 7 that is used. Okay, there. So now we are moving toward question number 7. In question number 7 we have to type mileage calculated in cell F4. Copy this one, then come on F4 in F4 here. Where is F4? We write there F4, press enter. Okay, here we write this one. Okay, so question number 7 is done and we have earned 5 marks from there. So in question number 7 we just simply type mileage calculator in cell F4. We have done and we get the result. Okay, now moving toward question number 8. In question number 8 we have to auto fit the width of column F. Where is column F? Here is column F. Auto fit means first we have to select this column, then double click, so that will auto fit. So question number 8 is done. Now moving to question number 9. In question number 9 we have to click or select G4, then test the newly created mileage function by calculating the rebustering amount 45 miles travel, rebustering rate 0.75, then delete the value in G4 after testing the function. Okay, now we have to test the function by this. So first we have to move toward cell G4. Here is, so we write there G4, press enter. In G4 we have to 45, we have to write there 45, and then travel rebustering rate 0.75 mile. Okay, rebustering rate is 0.75. Okay, so in this way we will solve this part and we will verify them. Then in next part, in question number 10, what we have to do, use a VB editor to create a new module name protect workbook. Type the following VBA statements to create a sub procedure. We have to in this code there. Okay, and in this way we will solve question number 10. Then same way we will solve other parts also. In question number 11, what we have to do, we have to insert a new module name unprotect workbook, then type following VB statement to create a sub procedure and then save exit VB editor. So we have to create a new module that name is unprotect workbook, and there we have to in this code there. Okay, so question number 11 is done. Same way we will solve other parts also. So you may see we have just 23 questions in today graded part. So out of 3 questions we have done first 11 question. In almost 50% assignment is done from my side in today video. Remember that in today video we have discussed XP22 Excel chapter 12 cumulative assessment business travel budget. In start, we just discussed project description, then move toward graded part, and we have solved question number 1, 2, 3, 4. All four questions are not graded one, but if we didn't solve that one, we cannot able to solve our assignment. So we have to solve those questions, even though those are not graded one, but we have to solve those questions. Then we can able to solve question number 5, 6. Then after that we solve question number 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11. So almost half of assignment is done from my side in today's video. But if you need complete solution for this file, for that you have to contact me on my given WhatsApp number, email ID, Instagram ID. All links are available in video description as well as there in bottom of this video. You may see here is my WhatsApp number and here is my email ID. So you may contact me. I am available. I will solve and you will get 100% marks in next 30 minutes. Or remember that your file will be ready in next 30 minutes. Result will be 100% and price will be reasonable. You may also contact me for full course deal. Our deal will be reasonable in price and your marks will be 100%. Remember that I am also expert of other courses, just like if you need help regarding mathematics, stats, English writing, English literature writing, accounting, C++, Java, Linux, textbook project, quizzes, midterm exam, final exam, Power BI project, Tableau project. So whatever you need to help regarding your academic, you may simply contact me. You may simply text me on my email ID, on my Instagram ID, on my email, WhatsApp number. I am available. I will respond instantly. Remember that your file will be ready in next 30 minutes. Result will be 100% with a reasonable price. So in today's video we have discussed XP22 Excel chapter 12 cumulative assessment business travel budget. We will meet soon with our next assignment. So for that you have to subscribe my channel so you can get every latest video from my side. Take care, bye bye, best of luck for your future. Meet soon with our next assignment.